Hi, happy Wednesday. Thank y'all very much for clicking on today. Today I want to express gratitude for the people who actually do engage with my content. If you enjoy my content, if you ever made some type of donation or booked a read from me. So I just want to say you are greatly, greatly appreciated. So I'm going to just get into the cards, y'all. I'm going to just ask like what y'all could be needing to hear. If you don't need to hear anything, that is fine. It is cool. It is super general. I'm going to leave the information for the sale reading, well, for the sale promotion pinned down below in the comment section. But basically, it's $25.55 right now to book a read. What does Cancer need to hear for whoever clicks on? What do Cancers need to hear at this time for whoever clicks on? Thank you. Okay, so y'all, we got the World card coming out. I see some type of like major accomplishment when it comes toward possibly like work, career. This could be business too, but it looks like business could be booming, or it's like things are going for some people, like things could definitely be going good right now surrounding work or career. But I feel like this has not, like, let's just say you've been like working, but I feel like something is changing. It's almost like somebody's day at work, like something may be going on to where it's like, possibly you may feel like you're not really seeing any type of progress surrounding work or career. It's like, even though you are busy, but I feel like something's about to change in a positive way for work, career, finances, or business. But it says sorry, but fairies aren't going to come do all the work for you. But I feel like you already understand that for most people. But yeah, with the World card coming out, it says you did it. Now do something to celebrate a job well done. So I feel like your hard work is about to pay off, y'all. That's what it feels like. It kind of just feels like someone's day at work. Like, let's just say you it's like maybe you didn't have a good day at work or something, or it could have been boring. I don't know, but it's like something changes, whether you get some type of phone call or you leave work and it's like you get some good news. I feel like there's some good news that's coming in. Most definitely. That's what it feels like. Let's see what else comes out. What else are they needing to hear? What else does Cancer need to hear at this time? Why did the World card show up for them? Why did the World card show up for Cancers? Thank you. So we have the Broom card coming out. So with the Broom showing up, it says tidy up your life so you can make space for something better. So yeah, for some people, you could definitely be getting rid of some things. But I feel like when it comes towards, and I believe this card, I'm not really sure, y'all, if this is like related to the actual like tarot cards with the Broom card, but it's kind of giving like a ending, something ending, or you could be like decluttering. I feel like you could be about to leave a situation too, but it's almost like possibly some cleansing is needed. That's what it feels like. And I feel like this is based off a decision that you're making. Yeah, for some people, you could be like about to head down like a new path or like a new direction. Oh, and you know what I'm hearing too? It's like last day on a job. That's what it feels like. Cause I'm like, it kind of feel like I'm at work somewhere. Of course I am at work. This is my job. But it just feels like I'm at some type of work situation, but it's almost like, it's like you may not realize it's like that may be your last day on a job. And with the Two of Wands coming out, it says your decisions decide your future here and nothing else. So yeah, it's like you're thinking about your future. So I feel like, if you needed some type of confirmation or a sign to go ahead and make that decision, especially if you feel like a current work situation or environment is not like, it's like you may not see a future there. And sometimes too, unfortunately, most work environments, it's like the way it's set up, it's like most people don't last that long. It's kind of rare to where a person is there for like a really, really long time, because it's like things happen, people get fired or they just find something better. So that's what it's looking like so far. Let's see what else comes out. What else does Cancer need to hear? Thank you. So we got the Five of Wands coming out. And it says, a good coven lets every witch have a say. There could be some conflict, drama going on. Yeah, I feel like someone's walking out of a situation. It's almost like this is your last day. That's what I'm hearing. It's like, I cannot take this no more. And it's like, yeah, I feel like the way it's set up, it's like, hey, you're going places, but it's like you can't go anywhere if you're still in the same like environment or the same space. Because whatever the situation is, it's like it could be a lot of competition. That's what it feels like too. So I'm not really sure like how people resonate with that. But no, Spirit saying you going places. It's like, hey, it may not be happening right now and, you know, right at this very moment, but it does show where it's like, you know, you could definitely have goals. You got plans. What else are they needing to hear? What else does Cancer need to hear? Thank you. So we have Temperance coming out. And it says, let go of self-imposed limitations. So it looks like here, now this could be in regards, so it does say self-imposed limitations. So there could be some things that you are, some form of like limitations that you could be putting on yourself, right? I feel like there could be a need to like just stay calm and get grounded. That's what it feels like too. It's like, I feel like there's some type of like job situation. This could resonate with just a few people. There could be something going on to where it's like maybe you feel like you don't really have a say within a situation. This could be in regards to like pay, you seeing some type of like elevation or growth. That's definitely on point, y'all. That's why I was choosing to express gratitude today, because I'm like, there's a couple of things I wanted to say, but I was like, you know what, it's not even worth the time or the energy. But it kind of feels like a situation to where like you're choosing peace instead of violence or conflict, because it's like looking at the brighter side of the situation. It's like you got goals to achieve. It's like, you know, you going places, you know that you're skilled, talented, or whatever the case is. So it's like, why let certain environments or even like people too put limitations like on you? Because most people don't want to see growth. Like, this is literally like what I was thinking in my head earlier, y'all, like as I was getting dressed and ready. But it's true though. It's like some people don't want to see growth. It's like you saying you want to grow or get a promotion. You want, you know, you could be wanting more hours at work or more pay. But some people may not agree with it. And that's just basically them putting limitations on you. And it's kind of creating like a blockage too. But it's like, you know, knowing that, hey, I can actually remove myself from the situation if I'm wanting to see growth. And we got the Magician card showing up here too. Below the Temperance card. So it says you have everything you need to do anything you want. So I know that's right. Yeah, it looks like you're manifesting. It's like you're attracting new opportunities or new things, new experiences. But it looks like when it comes towards your skills and your talents, there's a need to like not doubt yourself. Let's see what else comes out here. Oh, not really sure who needs to hear this, because that on the Magician card and this specific tarot card, y'all, they had like a little tag. It looked like a name tag, but it said plant parent. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but just know it's like you're a really great parent. It's like you're a great mom, a great dad, if nobody told you. What else are they needing to hear? What else does Cancer need to hear? So we got the Strength card coming out. And it says, it takes great strength to be soft. So yeah, it looks like when it comes towards like a current situation, and it kind of feels like to someone like coming home from work or out of a situation after having like a really bad day. But it's like knowing that you can actually get through it. It's like you can get over it. That's what it feels like. So not really sure what that's about, but let's see what else comes out. What else does Cancer need to hear? And you may feel like nobody really cares, because it's like, when it comes towards some type of situations, it's almost like, it's kind of like people normalize it with certain situations, especially like work environments or whatever the case is, like money, finances, business. Like you may feel like people don't care, but it's like, Of course, your guides, angel, spirit, source cares. But we have the Nine of Pentacles that came out, and it says, pause and savor the results of your success. So look, it looks like you're enjoying the fruits of your labor, y'all. And it just looks like somebody coming home from off of work or something. It's like, yeah, finally getting ready to relax. Retirement been showing up heavy too, y'all. So yeah. But I was definitely hearing like last day on a job or whatever that like a current work situation is, or even like a business situation. I don't know what that situation is, but it's like that's your last day. Don't know exactly when, but it looks like it's coming up. Let's see what else comes out. What else are they needing to hear? What else does Cancer need to hear? So look, we have the Star card showing up here. So it talks about healing, having faith. It says have faith that healing is in a forecast. So just know whatever you're currently going through, to where you may feel like you don't have the strength to get over it or overcome it. Also too, for some people, there could be a need to protect your energy when it comes towards like any type of conflict or drama that could be thrown at you, especially like certain work environments, because it could be like very low vibrational. Especially if you feel like you can't grow or elevate in certain spaces or environments. But just know it's like healing is on the way. It's like some type of solution is on the way. For some people, this could be what you're wishing for too. Something about like counseling can be significant too, or like something in regards to like counseling, or it's almost like kind of feel like somebody checking up on a friend too, with the Lovers card coming out. Even like therapy could be significant for some people too. What else does Cancer need to hear at this time for whoever clicks on? What else are they needing to hear? So wow, look y'all, we got the patient witch coming out. So listen, it says learn to get comfortable with sitting still whenever necessary. So for some people, you have been like very patient when it comes towards your current situation. But I feel like you could be learning a lot too when it comes towards like this awaiting energy. What else are they needing to hear? But in a way, you could feel kind of like uncomfortable as well. And you could be trying to figure out like, you know, when is change coming, or like when is the situation going to change? What else does Cancer need to hear at this time for whoever clicks on? Thank you. So we got the Hermit coming out, and it says there are some things that must be done on your own. This is definitely giving like single mom type of energy, because we got the Empress card coming out. That energy been showing up a lot too. But I mean, of course, not everybody that's watching is a single mom, but you may be able to resonate with this or certain situations, especially when it comes towards like money, work. That's what I was picking up too. For some people, not really sure if there could be some type of like conflict or drama surrounding like parenthood, or like you being a parent. I'm not really sure what that's about, but it kind of feels like almost like somebody just needs to hear like, hey, you're a great parent, like you're a good person. But with the Hermit card coming out, it says there's just some things that must be done on your own. And it's like maybe you do have like an understanding of that. It's like maybe you have been doing a lot of things on your own, but I feel like that's changing. What else does Cancer need to hear right now? Ooh. What else does Cancer need to hear right now? What else are they needing to hear? So we got this card, the Witch is in. It looks like when it comes towards some type of like work situation, Queen of Pentacles, there's no need to sacrifice. You can have it all. For some people, you may feel like you could be needing to make some type of sacrifices when it comes towards like work, career, business, or even like, you know, if you are a parent. But it looks like here, it says witches should hold other witches accountable. There's some type of situation that's going on to where I feel like there could be a need to like just do what it is that you need to do, honestly, because it kind of feels like a lot of judgment or like conflict, drama surrounding what somebody's choosing to do. It's almost like making you feel like you need to make some type of sacrifices.